product of the factors means a into 1 upon a equals to 4 upon k square plus 4. But a into 1 upon a is 1. Therefore 4 upon k square plus 4 equals to 1. Take k square plus 4 on this side. So k square plus 4 equals to 4. K square equals to 0. 4 on this side. So k equals to 0. That is the required answer. Then the k equals to 0. Okay. Next. Sum of the zeros of the polynomial this fx 2x cube plus kx square plus 4x plus 3 plus 5 is 3. Then k equals to, see here, sum of the zeros means sum of the factors. Now this expression we have solved in our third problem. Let me give you all the details again. Therefore fx equals to, if ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then sum of the roots equals to minus b upon a, product of the roots is minus d upon a, sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time is c upon a. Remember this formula by heart, or this expression by heart. So in our case what we want, sum of the roots is given 3, right? So we will be requiring minus b upon a, means what, minus k upon 2, right? Because this is b, this is a. So let's solve. Sum of the factors equals to minus k upon 2, but that is given as 3, right? So k equals to minus 6. That's the answer. If the polynomial fx equals to ax cube plus bx minus c is exactly divisible by gx equals to x square plus bx plus c, then ab equals to, see here, this is a dividend, this is a divisor. Always in both the cases, always remember the degrees of x should be in a linear fashion. So after x cube there should be x square. Is there x square over here? No. So you'll be facing a problem. Similarly in divisor, x square, then x, then 0, x raised to 0. That's correct. So dividend you have to change. What change? See here, ax cube plus 0x square plus bx minus c. That is a required thing which we have to do. Always bring all the x raised to in linear. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.